Hello everyone, Kid KO here. We're going to start a nice duel video going to be our boy Jerk Atlas and
the real Victor
and our wannabe judge
Sizzling.
Big Angus.
Big Angus.
Yeah, that works.
We're going to go into this game and we're going to see what happens.
All right.
Cool, dice roll.
We already rolled the dice. You lost, Andy. Let's go. Come on, Jerk Atlas.
Jerk Atlas versus.
Yo, hold on.
All right.
Okay.
I activate Nekroz Bryonic. Discard to search.
Okay.
The domestic abuse to the background is going to make this even better.
Yeah. What the fuck? Alright, okay, so. God, I can't remember what I was doing anymore. Alright.
I've judged Bryonic.
I get Nekroz a Unicorn.
Okay.
Wait, no, I can't get that. No, I can, but it would be terrible to do that.
No, do it.
I will judge your hand.
Garbage. Don't have what I need. I only need one fucking card in my hand.
I get Nekroz a Colossus, discard him. Get Nekroz Kaleidoscope. And go back in. Preparation rights.
E.
Nice. What do you think, Anthony?
I think whatever he's gonna do, I don't have. That's why I wanted to go first. Except, I went first. If I would have went first, I would not have done what I wanted to do. Don't have the hand.
Very gimmicky deck plan there, bud. Big balls just go up against Nekroz with a gimmick.
Where are you? There you are. Get Nekroz a Unicorn. Kaleidoscope. On top. It is on top. I shuffle it for extravagance, so I never know what's actually there. That's great. So someone Nekroz a Unicorn. Let's see, and Herald of the Arclight. That's me. Saber Angel Benton.
It's not up to me.
Next, I'll activate Nekroz Mirror. Saber Angel Benton.
Oh, I have not seen it yet. When did you add that?
A while ago.
I was gone for too long to do that.
Tribute to, normal summon it.
Oh, okay. With this card, doesn't look like your opponent cannot. That's just fucking stupid.
Cannot what?
You can't summon monsters.
Pass. You can't special summon monsters.
Oh, special summon monsters. Okay. You can't summon monsters. Like, what the fuck? You can normal summon ones. Get it. Come on, bud. Don't you got Battle Steer or something? Does that work? Does that help?
Yes and no.
Well, help. Do something. Don't you have a monster that does something?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
What are your plans? Like, when are you leaving or anything?
Ryan. Set. Pass.
Smart man. Extending the game.
Preparation rights.
Response. This never.
This is the fix negated now?
Yep.
You should have done it after, because it's another player, right?
What?
Is it another player or is it your opponent?
Oh,
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, damn.
That's why you run this one. Vanity's Fiend is either. Is both.
Okay.
Did I not put it in? Okay, let's put it in. Alright, that's fine.
You forgot to put in a card.
I was thinking of putting back in Gungnir, Nekroz Gungnir. I just forgot. That lets me add Nekroz Mirror. Dual Chalice Slime, discard it.
To do what?
Summon out an incantation from my deck.
Okay.
Play this. It's gonna be kind of awkward. Let's get Pentaplume. Pentaplume nets me. Let's see. Let's go. Trishula. Discard Bryonic. Get Shuret.
He's
Alright.
just getting everyone.
Nekroz Mirror.
He's going in for the big kill.
You're so scared.
You can shut up.
You're so mean.
Shuret's ability.
He just wants the big birdie dog.
I know
He's
he
only
does.
name.
I think I can still get to it.
I want to believe in you, friend.
Because I hit his ruler.
Nice.
So now I can start special summoning at the ass.
Good job, friend.
If you don't die.
I discard Colossus.
I know it is.
Get Cycle.
I know, baby, I'm sorry.
Activate
Cycle.
Cycle.
Look, it's a surprise.
I'm gonna be here till like 2 in the morning, right?
No.
That's good.
Battle phase. Swing. 23.
Vanish.
Alright.
Well,
Direct with 12.
Okay.
oh.
New end.
Your turn.
Holy cow.
And this comes back.
Jerk Atlas sitting at 6,800.
I wonder if
Victor sitting at 8K.
I summoned the Fiendish Warrior Rhino. Your attack position.
You can still play the game.
Oh,
What's he playing there?
what does he do?
He's playing Burning Abyss Big Bird Turbo.
It's amazing.
I know.
It's-
I told him about it.
I
Phenomenal.
love it.
I'm the one that told him about
and I
exterior.
can't do anything now because of this right here.
You can't attack him. That's all you can't do.
But I can't special summon my Burning Abyss monsters like I want to.
He has a continuous. He has a trap, spell trap on field.
I got an idea, I got an idea, I got an idea, I got an idea.
You've got it.
That is a feels really bad. That is so sad.
Quick. I got an idea.
Battle phase. Fiendish Warrior Rhino.
Fiendish Rhino Warrior.
Whatever. Big Ugg.
I lose 200.
Take that.
Yeah, take that.
You're doing it, bud.
Jerk Atlas does damage.
Pass.
He's doing it.
Passes. Feels really bad about himself under the current circumstances.
Battle phase.
Well, proceeds to
Swing.
get hit in the face
Awesome.
really hard.
When he gets sent to the yard,
Yeah.
send something else to the yard.
Oh wow, he has a yard effect.
So 900.
Oh.
Yeah. What's funny is you can send another copy of himself.
Yeah.
Graph. Graph effect. When you send it to the yard, special out. Something for the yard.
You're good.
Oh, do it. Oh,
Trishula.
do it. Oh my god.
Okay. Vanish here.
Alright, I'll go into main phase. Trishula comes back.
Main phase. End phase.
Whatever.
I believe in both of you. I'm believing in Big Bird Turbo. So.
Burning Abyss, Big Bird Turbo.
Oh,
Can
baby.
you do it?
No, I can't. Because of this.
He screwed himself with that.
That feels really bad.
It's like he had to, but at the same time, if it was infinite impermanence, it would actually have been a different story.
Yeah.
It's a pass.
Alright. Oh wow, that's an interesting one.
Seems like our boy Jerk Atlas has been jerking himself off.
Battle main phase, battle phase, attack.
Okay.
I thought that was funny.
Okay.
Boots.
Direct with 2700.
Okay.
Your commentary is not funny.
I think it was pretty alright.
Only an uncultured swine laughs at his own jokes.
It's
Ouch.
so good at laughing. Yeah.
Main phase 2, I'll set and pass.
Oh, he did it. Place
Can
the
you
card
do?
in face down position.
Did you draw a cattle call? No.
Damn, that's unfortunate.
Did you win game
Finish.
now? Do it, family. Oh my god.
Why?
It's like, hit something else.
Okay.
I know his plan. He's gonna beat you down with fucking, like, the level 3 monsters. He searched his deck.
Yeah?
I'm gonna deck his ass out.
You will win.
It's my new plan. Deck out. Stall till deck out.
I've drawn into no incantations so far, so I feel free to try. Stop being lazy and leaning on the table.
Suck.
He said suck me.
How dare you?
So
I've got an ad restriction. Restrict.
We're already past a minute.
Set. Set.
Nice, dude. I wonder what that card is.
Bet you it's fucking imminent. If it's
I bet you it's a cattle call. I bet you $1 million.
Battle
that card
phase.
is a cattle call.
Attack with Unicorn.
Okay, but here.
Okay.
Unicorn. Bam. Phoenix Warrior Rhino. Send.
This
Rhino
guy
warrior.
runs more than one Phoenix Rhino Warrior.
Oh yeah.
These guys actually.
Edge him sabers.
I don't even know what that does.
It's a level 3 monster. Someone's Dante with it.
Durr, Dante will pass.
I summoned Dante.
He's gonna do it. Just nothing
Pass.
I can summon Dante.
It's one of the weirdest duels I've ever had.
Alright, boys, here we go.
Oh, he's doing it, dude.
Bam, Sea Archiver.
Oh my god.
Effective Edge him sabers. Send a card from my hand.
To the top of your deck.
You know why he's got that card in there?
Why?
Dante's level 3, buddy. Come
That's
on.
the only reason you have that card?
Level 3 Dante.
What does that
We're not
even
doing
He's
it.
not even doing Dante. Dude, what the fuck are you doing?
What the heck is this stupid thing?
You lose
Nuts.
it on purpose?
No.
What are you summoning?
See, Archiver. Monster. The monster is normal summon to a zonal link monster points to damage step. You can special summon this card from your graveyard. It's this card. Alright, when it's dissolved or your hand.
It just summons itself when the card is summoned to a zone link monster points to. That's the general gist of it.
That's okay.
Turdur. Cherubini.
Okay.
Now I summon Dante.
That serves a purpose.
It
Why
does.
is there?
It's neat.
It's not the worst card I've
Dante
seen.
effect. Send up Burning Abyss monster.
Can't.
Why?
Can you get trust you got this boy?
He's negated, friend. No, he's not. No, he's
Really?
not.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, and he gets extra attack monsters.
Second to last sentence.
Yeah.
Should have summoned Dante, bro.
It would have been worse either way.
No.
Dante doesn't mill for cost.
Yeah, but you gotta put him in defense mode.
Yeah, he's got 25k. This guy's just got 500 dick.
Is sending cost?
No.
No.
Detaching is.
I
Detaching.
mean for him.
Oh, no, it's not. Or is it? Hold on. Does it come from that? No.
Feels bad.
He's the judge.
Yeah, but Victor's smarter than I am. We started the duel with wannabe judge. Remember?
There are literally no semicolons in this entire card effect.
Let me see.
So it's just one giant negated, like it's blank.
Yeah.
Effect failure destroys your life. It'd be like that
Send
sometimes.
one other card you control to the graveyard instead of blah 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 blah.
It's just one long blank.
Where the heck is the send effect? You can send one of their blah. Okay, cool. This card would be okay, cool. You can send one. Then target one person gains attack. Yeah, you could send from deck to graveyard, comma. Oh no, it's all one effect because there's a 10.
It is all one effect. There's no semicolon in his card text at all. What is wrong with you, Konami?
Yeah. One effect.
Okay.
You feel really bad. Pass.
Just summon Dante, buddy. I told you.
Oh my god, I got the exact wrong one.
You should have hit the thing.
I was wondering why you didn't use this on him.
So I don't know any better.
I guess.
To be fair, I didn't either. I forgot.
That's all like yes, no, yes, what?
I forgot.
Go into battle phase. I'll attack your angel.
Okay.
K.
So much K right now, dude.
Special K.
That's me.
Oh, there you go. Degenerate. But its own joke.
1800.
Bring it back.
Your turn.
Got him.
Got him.
He's doing the.
He's doing the thing. He did
He's
it.
gonna mill you out.
Dude.
Back to original plan.
How you gonna feel about
I
that?
reveal Talismandra and Decisive Armor.
Motherfucker.
Special summon Talismandra.
That's 2 monsters now that can attack Anthony. You got negative.
It's all over, dude.
If you draw Cattle Call, do you think you'll make a comeback?
No.
It's all Shrek now, dude.
What if you draw Dark Hole?
You've entered the swamp. That'll actually help like a shit ton. Dark hole, dead ass win you the game.
Actually,
saying.
that is not wrong.
Because it would not go straight to the graveyard and all that would go away, right? Fucking
I get cycle back.
Fucking fantastic.
Anthony.
I was going to wait until after the duel tour.
What?
I didn't catch a word of that, to be honest.
I was wanting to wait until after the duel to leave.
Well, you picked the wrong duel to wait. Well, Yu-Gi-Oh! Is very famous for its fast duels. These two have managed to make it go really slow with 2 meta decks.
Not my fault.
Not meta anymore, but they were around the same time, weren't they?
No.
How old is Nekroz? I thought it was like 2014.
2015.
How old is fucking Brody Biss?
2013.
Oh.
And they were in the meta for like 4 years.
So they were together.
At the end of that, they started being
God. Okay. Alright, so I'll activate mirror.
You know Dark was at 3 now, right?
Did you know Regeki's still at 1, but it's going to go to 3 at some point?
I don't think so. See, Regeki, it has this thing in the balancing of it where it doesn't destroy your monsters, see? Do you know how...
Unbalanced.
Wow. I mean, look at it. He'd get to keep his defense position monster. You can take
Wow.
I'm losing track of what I'm doing. Yeah, that's right.
I thought you were Jerk Atlas, but I thought you summoned Synchros for a living. Where's that Black Rose at? What are you doing over here? What's this Xyz deck?
Jerk Atlas doesn't summon
I didn't watch 5D.
Black Rose, dude.
Which one is he?
Red Hot.
Oh, I get it, because that's your favorite deck.
That's why he's Jerk Atlas.
I just clicked.
What does this
Never
one do?
watched it, didn't know.
I can target a set card your opponent was destroyed and banish it.
Okay.
Pop, banish.
Done.
Oh, super dead. You were about to get a 3rd one of those, weren't you?
Yeah, that's good.
Go into battle phase, direct with 33.
Oh, you can
Alright.
take one of those out.
Oh, it's this one actually.
Why do you want
Oh,
to
no, we can't. They're both still attached.
Oh, okay, my bad. Continue. I'm sorry.
3300 direct?
That's game.
Yes.
Game 2.
Yes.
Me going first.
Oh, baby.
I'm siding.
You
Game
give
two.
me attention first.
No. The video's still going.
Then pause the video, or you can edit it out.
It's too much work. Just do it all in a row. Please. What do you mean? I got you.
Putting in more unicorns.
He's putting in that one he said he forgot to put in.
Unihor. Probably Unihor. There's no way it's not
Hope
Unihor.
you do good, but
Me too. That was a terrible terrible game boy.
I believe in your favor.
It was.
I was
I like how fast that was. It's fast. Right into the deck. No hesitation.
Hey,
You just pulled that.
at least he could dual wield now.
Yeah, oh shit. You have more than I do.
Yeah, but yours is still $30
Nice.
compared to 13.
Yeah.
Well, now I got 2, so it's 26.
I don't know. Getting there.
Close.
That really.
I didn't notice. I love that shit.
No, I love this shit.
For all those who can't see it, it says Hyperion. Let me just show it out for the. Just like
We
chickens.
saw it in the other video.
$5,
Oh
baby.
my god,
Yeah.
jerk at $5 where?
Like a print shop.
Oh. So you printed it? Like, just,
No, I'm just kidding. I got it from fucking Metrocom.
I was about to say, that's too good for
No, yeah.
$5.
It's at Metrocon.
where is that? And I want to like sponsor that place.
Metrocon? It's a convention.
No, I'm gonna talk about that. You
Oh,
said $5.
oh, the print shop.
Sure.
Oh, I mean,
Where?
I was fucking around.
Sponsor these people. They're great. Wait, these are dragon ships?
Yeah.
Yes.
What the fuck?
But they're standard, but I use like not old. I use Ultra Pros because they're thicker, so it fills out the standard sleeve more.
These are.
We're not sponsored by them. Stop doing
No,
product
we're
placement.
not. I'm showing products that looks cool.
So which deck is it? This one, this is Skull Sevens, baby.
We are not sponsored. If anyone does want to sponsor,
Dragon Shields, please sponsor us.
please.
I would love to just get millions of
sleeves. Fucking.
Ultimate
you
Guard,
already saw
please
it, yeah.
sponsor us.
I will pay you to just like.
I will pay you to sponsor us.
Isn't that the same as just buying product?
Shut up. Alright. I want to be able to say that we're
I'm going
sponsored.
first.
I literally want to be able to say.
Alright, heart of the cards. Fuck yes. Fuck yes.
Oh, he's doing it. Oh my god. Jerk
Let's
Atlas.
see what he's got. That's a weird fucking hand, buddy.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Let me see what you got. You don't run hand traps because you're a good guy.
They're in their side deck, but I didn't put them in. Didn't feel like it.
Gallows Star Beast.
Oh my god.
Oof, take that.
You got so lucky with that.
Let's see. 2, 4, 6. Take 600.
Did you really struggle?
Simple math, yes.
How this man ever was able to calculate life points is beyond me.
Yo, mama. There.
Why do you think our duels take so damn long?
He just
I gotta
counts.
sit there and fucking. You know, Cosmo Time makes you pay 100 per level. I gotta count the stars in the art, and then I gotta do math. Like, come on, dude.
Give that to
That's
Anthony.
way too fucking much.
Moving along.
This man has
Now
to
they're making
count.
fun of me.
He has to count in your mama's.
Phoenix
like,
Warrior
one
Rhino.
Mama, like two.
You just Rhino Warrior.
Suck my balls.
What are you gonna
Only if
say?
you bathe first.
What is the, what's that card over there?
Alec, Mel Bench of the Brain.
Does it do anything?
Negates a monster effect.
So no.
So no.
You can negate your own effect. Do it.
And 8 Gallus the Star Beast effect.
Do it. Like,
Sure,
how you
Mimi.
do it.
Is that? Oh, well, that's cool.
Oh, he's doing it.
Fiendish Rhino Warrior.
You can't do that.
You stopped him.
I stopped him.
Would you stop noise polluting your own video?
Yes, sorry. Yes, okay. Sorry.
That's it.
It's not my video. It's our video, right? We are a team.
It's on your iPhone, it's your video.
Shut up. Right.
You can't say iPhone. You have to say GoPro. If you say iPhone, they'll think we're rich.
No, I'm gonna call him out for using a janky iPhone to record us.
Alright, do you want to buy a nice camera? Okay.
We better go.
I will eventually,
Anyway,
yeah.
Libic.
Go.
Libic effect. Special summon from my hand.
At that point, you can do whatever you want to film.
What do we got here?
Okay,
Who
I've
is
never
this?
seen someone run that card, because it's terrible.
What does it do?
No, this card.
Oh, what does that do?
It's special summons from hand. That's they do that anyway.
Yeah, but now I get his effect.
So?
Burn you.
So?
Do it to him, dude.
Burn it for
Burn.
fucking 600, buddy.
It's because he's playing
He-
burn.
The one that burns for 900, he almost fucking killed me with that.
That's that.
It's fucking stupid. He runs 3 of these things.
Yeah, you run 3 of them. Bar.
Okay, yeah, he's fucking done. He almost killed me with that. He had me down to like 800. I was like, how many bars do you run? He's like, 3. I was like, how many was that? It's like 3. It's like, ah, sweet. Almost got me.
Oof.
I
screwed
used
up.
judgment twice, brought myself down, and then just fucking.
screwed up.
That's your own fault.
I screwed up horribly.
Our boy Jerk Atlas.
Yeah, you can't get far from now.
No, never mind that. I can get his effect off. That's not what I
No,
want.
Farfa.
Yeah, I can't get that off now.
I know, because you fucked up.
Yeah, I did.
I don't know what you did wrong, but you just told me you did, so.
You definitely fucked up, dude.
What were you supposed to do?
Hold on. I think I got it. I think I
The
got
guy,
it.
Okay, that is a mic. It looks like a guy's head. Is that a guy's head or a mic?
Is it both?
Is it a hedgehog?
It's a head. But
Anyway,
His head
the
looks like a
caption
microphone.
the caption says, "I almost grabbed that man's neck and dropped a freestyle."
Yeah.
Cherubini effect, same graph. Graph effect, special summon from deck.
What was that? How'd you just do it? How'd you just do the same effect twice? Didn't you
I
already do
use
that?
Fiendish Warrior Rhino.
How did you do that? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, fix the smart one.
Moving along.
Oh, it does have a semicolon in it.
I don't know.
Yeah, but it's not then. You have to be able to do the first and do the second. It's not a cost.
It is cost to send. Yeah, it is.
Then
Well, let the judge read it. Come on, you guys appointed me judge. What is this?
You can
It's
send
smart.
multi-monster to your deck to the graveyard, then target a Burning Abyss. That's both cost. Anything before semicolon is cost.
this is semicolon.
Right after graveyard.
Oh my god.
We're experiencing technical difficulties.
Oh, there's it's. I thought that.
So you could have won last duel, but they cheated you. You should have let the
No,
judge.
he couldn't have won.
I don't think he could have won, but no, he could have done a thing.
So,
Anyway.
We are wrong, friends.
are you making Dante?
No, I was thinking Fortune Tune.
Damn right, I'm making
I
a fortune
know.
tune.
Because he has Catacall on his hand.
Because I have Cattle Call in my hand.
Do it. I want you to know that could have been a Mysterio.
I want you to know it don't matter. Where'd he go?
Big board.
Big boy.
Dude, don't forget to do the
Effect
thing.
of Farfa. Put him out. And then effect of Babar.
Jules 900.
Eat. And. Question: if this gets banished, I can still use that effect to get that back, right?
It resolves during the end phase. I don't know.
So yeah,
I guess.
cool. Take 900.
Does it say it has to be in the graveyard?
No, just banish it until the end phase. So it's already resolved its effect. It
it's
just needs to-
already.
Cool
it's-
memes.
It's
It's not an
completion.
activation of an effect. It's a resolution.
Take that 900.
All right,
Then I pass.
and you get Big Bird back.
Yes.
Biggest of birds.
You'll find it.
One Jimmy too. Look at you, real sour.
And lose 1,000, right?
Yes.
Oh shit. It's over now.
Wait.
Yeah, for controlling no monsters.
No, he's got to have a Ray Raptor XZ material underneath him.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh, that's right.
so it feels bad, friend.
Whatever.
Yeah, right. He's playing Big Bird.
It's tired, Ernie.
All right, so I'll reveal Talismandra
Shit.
and Unicorn.
Doesn't this die?
No.
No,
I thought the All Burning Abyss dies, but
no,
Not that one.
he's special.
special.
Yes. He's so special.
Very
He
special.
sends for cost.
She got it.
She's watching a funny video.
Yeah, but she left at the exact same time he said so special.
Don't worry, man. Next turn. I'm gonna come in contact.
I need some Dante on this fucking Burning Abyss. Dude. What is this shit?
Yes.
What's up, Bernie?
Which game is this?
2.
Okay.
You're good, bud. After game 1, you can't do anything seriously anymore. After game 1, it was pretty crazy.
Where are you? There it is. I kept going by it.
Now, is there a chance you could break with that deck?
Yes.
How high is that chance?
I think 6%.
That's a percentage. He fucking knows it. He hit you with the percentage.
Sky Strikers is around 8 right now.
What's Cosmo at?
15.
15%.
15, I think.
Is that bad? That's not bad.
You gonna go back in that?
Yeah, actually, never mind. Forget. So this deck does so much searching, I sometimes I forget what the hell I'm doing.
Galaxy Astro, I understand.
Kaleidoscope. Okay.
But do you know what else Galaxy Eyes does?
What?
A lot of special summoning.
Yeah.
Rock.
That.
You could not.
Bryonic. Discard Bryonic. Get Nekroz with decisive armor.
You're gonna decisive armor me? Try and beat over Big Bird?
Yeah.
Not me.
Don't lose it, man.
I'm genuinely scared now.
You had everything. You had Big Bird on the board.
It's gonna be all crashing down in front of me.
Why? How high does that Necroz do?
Well, one, he's 33. To start. I don't know how he's gonna boost it.
I'm not gonna boost it.
Not the car.
Battle phase.
Fucking yell at this dude, right? No, man.
Discard goes up by 1,000.
I don't know.
Oh no, Wane.
There goes
Dude's
Bird.
400.
You've just lost the game.
Alright, main phase
Unless you
2.
draw into another counter call.
Activate Valkyrus's ability.
That's a one-time thing.
Tribute 1, tribute 2, draw 2 cards.
You only got one of them?
Activate Bookstone, revealing cycle, special.
Okay.
That's Bloom. Get Unicorn. Activate Cycle. Ditching Shirt for cost. Special summoning back out Trishula. Banish. Let's see, might as well banish that. And how many cards in hand? Banish it.
Cool.
Shirt's ability resolves. I get Classless. I don't know how I did that, but I did. Okay. And your turn.
Dark Hole.
Wow.
Orbital Hydrolander.
No. I don't put that crap card in set pass.
Okay.
I don't put Orbital Hydrolander in my deck.
Discard Necroz the Classless.
Guy who could have used Orbital Hydrolander right there.
Isn't Orbital
No, I couldn't.
Hydrolander like BA win condition?
No. He's playing Big Bird Turbo version.
I could
Oh, I thought he was playing PK Fire. I saw.
PK Fire.
I just
Big Bird.
beat over it.
I know. That's what it hurt. I was supposed to banish the Big Bird off of the means.
I can't.
You can't. It's
It doesn't matter. He wasn't summoned properly, so he can't summon it back.
Wait, how do you summon it?
Cattle Call.
Cattle called him. And then I forfeit him. And then I forfeit him.
Kaleidoscope.
Yo, banishing Grapha hurts.
Yeah, that hurt a lot.
I know. I used to play that deck. It gave me a headache. Unicorn. Activate Herald of the Arclight. And I can't. Because I don't have it, and I already started my main phase 1. I get Nekroz Gungnir.
You're not playing the best Nekroz card.
What?
Nekroz of Sophia.
No, because it's only good as a hand trap effect. That's all I'm searching. Why do you smell like pancake syrup?
Oh, I had my second enchilada.
That doesn't explain anything.
I wanted another enchilada just so I could put that fucking hot sauce on it.
Mm-hmm.
That smoked pepper hot sauce. Yeah.
It's my
Go
new,
into battle
It's my
phase.
new Canadian bath soap.
Okay.
You already battled this fuck. No, you did just set and pass last time.
Yeah.
Come on,
Oh,
man.
wait.
Keep up.
I was
Okay.
looking at it like, well,
Director 29
Okay.
and 27.
Okay.
That's game.
Noted.
I know. You smell like a Bed Bath and Beyond. What are you talking shit for?
I smell like almonds. I don't use that
I
crap.
smell like almonds. Again, here he comes.
I smell like almonds and sandalwood. 'Cause that's what my deodorant is almond is sandalwood. My soap is freaking almond. Your turn.
That's the weirdest combination.
Well, I'm sorry that you
Here's
don't
the
add a
top
cedar
deck
wood.
blade.
No, I did not.
What'd you get? Well, he does something.
You know, you could win if you had Orbital Hydrolator. They're not secret rare.
Yeah,
That's
because
the
I
original
gave
rare.
my secret rares to someone else.
Who?
He's looking at you quite mistaken.
You?
Did he? I could have sworn I pulled mine from Battles of Legends.
No.
Oh, thank you.
What? Fucking.
My secret rares.
You're an idiot. I swear.
Yeah, that's not secret rare.
Because I gave someone else my secret rare.
I feel bad.
I got over
He
Big
gave,
Bird.
he gave me all his secret rare.
My turn?
Phantom Knights.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Okay. Valkyries. Draw 2.
You know what helps in this deck? Crackdowns. Steal all his monsters.
That's not how
doing
you
it again.
best. Nah, you burning abyss.
You're giving him the booty, like that's it.
That's not how you burn
Okay.
Yo, James, you know
How
what?
do you get rid of Big Bird?
I summoned this, and then I discarded,
Oh, okay.
I discarded Decisive Armor to boost him by 1,000. So is it 39?
It's fucking bad.
You know what's sad? He banished his graph,
I banished the graph with Trishula.
which means no comeback tour.
That card should be at 2.
What?
Graph.
Yeah, honestly, I think it needs to come back.
Cool money.
Watch them put it to 3 and ban Dante for vol memes.
But what's the point?
You have the fusion.
Get out of here. Get out of here now.
Mirror. Reveal. Discard. Okay. Talismandra. I'll guess I'll just get back. And I'm gonna go back in a sec, cause so alright.
I'm getting texts from Ernie while he's out there playing the Switch.
Yeah, dude, he's having a town.
I'm the messaging group.
Oh.
He's sending pictures to me.
Alright, I'll activate Inception, send Talismandra. I haven't used that card in forever, I couldn't remember what it did. You're on video.
I can't see.
He wishes.
I do. So I get
Cameras
that
have
back.
purple vision, now don't you know?
I get Decisive Armor.
I'm getting him.
My hand.
It's cheating.
This is Nekroz.
Now he's gonna use it at Ritual Summon.
Nekroz is Japanese for cheating.
You have any cards in here?
I'm top decking like a pro.
Inception.
I don't understand. All you have to do is summon the last piece of exhibit.
Discard, destroy.
Oh my god.
Done.
Fog Blade can't be targeted, sir.
Nekroz Mirror. Banish.
Game.
Nekroz swing. Well, that was a wonderful match.
No, seriously, I summoned
That
all
was
the
a
big
real back
Nekroz
and forth.
That
monsters.
was a real fucking back.
That was a real back and forth.
It was. That was actually one of the better
Get the
games.
fuck out of here. You steamrolled this poor bitch.
The only reason the game went so long because Victor wanted to see how far he really could go while fucking stomping Anthony's face from the ground.
No, I actually had to keep attacking over things.
The first game, because he had all those
Are you
trap
done?
cards, but that game, you could have just failed like 2,000 life points left.
So that it.
I want to destroy the face down. I know what the frick it was.
It could have been Man-Eater Bug! Could have been Man-Eater Bug! Nobody fucking knows. Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
Alright, thanks for watching. watching, everybody. This has been Teams DMD with a weird freaking duel.
Like,
Have a
comment,
nice
and
day.
subscribe if you never want to see this beat down again.